again. Today, we're going to be talking about the water cycle. Okay, let's start off with some cool facts. Fact number 1. Water is a resource that cannot be created by man. Isn't that fascinating? Fact number 2. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Isn't that amazing? Fact number 3. Whenever water changes from one state to another and moves from one place to another, it either absorbs energy or gives off energy. Fact number 4. Only about 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water, which also means that we could drink that water. Fact number 5. Transpiration is a process by which water evaporates or sweats from plants' leaves that transfers into the atmosphere. Isn't that cool? Fact number 6. Water is constantly being recycled. So, the water you drink today would be the same water dinosaurs drank millions and millions of years ago. Okay, since we're done learning about some interesting facts, I'm going to be showing you a water cycle experiment. Are you excited? Let's start. Let's get started with our water cycle experiment. For this project, you will need a big transparent bowl, some food dye, salt, a mixing spoon, some ice cubes, hot water, a small transparent bowl, and a plastic wrap. Okay, the first step is to pour in the hot water into the big transparent bowl. I'm going to be adding a few drops of color. And I'm going to mix it up. Next, I'm going to add in my salt. This is my ocean. Now, take your small transparent bowl and place it in the center of your big transparent bowl. The small transparent bowl is our land. Now, I'm going to cover it with plastic wraps. Make sure no air comes. Next, I'm going to keep placing ice cubes on top of the plastic wrap. This is my cool atmosphere. Okay, let's wait for 10 minutes to see the precipitation. But while we're waiting, I'll teach you how the water cycle works. Water cycle starts off with evaporation. Evaporation happens when the sun heats up the rivers, lakes, and oceans. As the sun heats up the rivers, lakes, and ocean, the water changes into water vapor. This step is called evaporation. The second step is condensation. Condensation happens when the water vapor comes up to the cool atmosphere. And soon, the water vapor turns into a cloud. This process is called condensation. The last step for this cycle is precipitation. Precipitation occurs when the clouds cannot hold any more water droplets, and those water droplets have to go down to the earth. And the water droplets can come in in forms of snow, rain, hail, or sleet. This process is called precipitation, and this cycle happens over and over again. Can you see that precipitation occurred in the side of the bowl? Okay, since it's been 10 minutes, I'm going to take my plastic wrap off the bowl. I'm placing my plastic wrap inside the cup. Okay, let's see how much precipitation came. Can you guys see that? Okay, now we're done with the water cycle experiment. It shows that the water evaporates up to the cool atmosphere, then precipitates down to the earth. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye. See you next time.